Shoulder-to-shoulder prints for spirit wear and other large applications can be difficult to screen print. In this instructional screen printing video, we're going to show you some options and tips on how to screen print these larger and more complex prints. There are a couple options for inks when printing these designs. Water-based inks work well for soft hand prints and lends itself to a distressed look. These inks work well because they're thin and they sink into the fabric no matter the consistency of the fabric and cover seams well. The other option is puff additive into plastisol ink. This works great for light and dark garments and adds a cool puffing effect to the ink. Next, we need to pick our platens. This is probably the trickiest part of this entire process. You need to be able to easily spread the arms of the garment so that you can print on the outer edge of the shoulder. While there is several options available for custom platens, the one we're using in this video is the Action Engineering Spirit Jersey Platen, compatible with the Rock Automatic Press. For this print, we'll be using a 25 by 36 inch 110 mesh frame and printing in landscape mode. For this print, we chose to go with a white puff plastisol, so we're using Meteor White with 10% puff additive in it. We'll also be using a longer 28 inch long rock squeegee and flood bar to accomplish this wide print. Because the shirt can move during the printing process with multiple passes and flashes, it's best to get the full amount of ink onto the garment with minimal strokes and flashes. To assist this, for our emulsion we're using the cryo coat on a 2/2 coating method to get a good EOM and good ink deposit. Loading the shirt can take some practice. You load one side to the other so that you can put the body on first and then align the sleeves and shoulders of the garment. For this print, we'll be hitting the plastisol with 2 slow passes using a medium to heavy pressure and low squeegee angle. After the shirt is done being printed, it's important that the ink properly cure in the conveyor dryer so puffing occurs. This typically happens around 330 degrees on the surface of the ink. If it gets much hotter than that, the puff will start to collapse. With the proper setup, you can get a great looking print and accomplish it without much struggle and achieve a great return from your customer. Check out all the supplies and specialty platens we use for this video on screenprinting.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great screen printing videos.